Hello.
Request all media brothers and sisters, they can sit here. So this side, media people can sit this side. Once this everything is over, na, press briefing will be there by both the dignitaries.
Shall begin? So we can begin. Ladies and gentlemen, Vanakkam, Namaste, and a very good morning to each and every one of you gathered here today at the esteemed Anna University for a momentous occasion that signifies the convergence of knowledge and progress. This event, showcasing the synergy between industry and academia, represents a step forward in nurturing innovation and progress. With the stage set and the agenda laid out, we are thrilled to witness this historic moment unfold. ஒருமை கண் தான் கற்ற கல்வி ஒருவருக்கு எழுமையும் ஏமா புடைத்து. This is a verse from திருக்குறள். அதுடைய பொருள் என்னவென்றால், ஒரு பிறவியிலே தான் கற்ற கல்வியானது ஒருவனுக்கு தொடர்ந்து வரும் 7 பிறப்புகளிலும் அவனை பாதுகாக்கும். A translation: what we learn in one lifetime has the potential to protect us for 7 lifetimes. As we embrace this auspicious morning, marked by the arrival of distinguished personalities from the world of education and industry, it is our honor and privilege to extend our warmest greetings to respected CMD BSNL and Honorable Vice Chancellor of Anna University and their esteemed teams who have graced us with their presence. Atithi Devo Bhava has been the clarion call of India for time immemorial, and today we follow the same rich cultural traditions that has made India what she is today. We begin this auspicious occasion with the felicitation of guests, symbolizing the mutual respect and admiration. I now invite Dr. Vel Raj, Vice Chancellor, Anna University, to honor Shri Praveen Kumar Purwar, CMD BSNL, with a shawl, please. I request Shri S. Murthy Babu, Additional Register, Dr. S. Murthy Babu, Additional Registrar, Anna University, to present the bouquet to Shri Praveen Kumar Purwar, CMD BSNL, please. I request Shri Praveen Kumar Purwar, CMD BSNL, to present the shawl to Dr. Vel Raj, Vice Chancellor, Anna University, please. I request Dr. Kalyan Sagar, Director HR BSNL, to present the bouquet to Dr. Vel Raj, Vice Chancellor, Anna University, please. I request Dr. Vel Raj, Vice Chancellor, Anna University, to honor Dr. Kalyan Sagar, Director HR BSNL, with a shawl, please. I request Dr. S. Murthy Babu, Additional Registrar, Anna University, to present the bouquet to Dr. Kalyan Sagar, Director HR BSNL, please. I request Shri D. Tamilmani, CGM Tamil Nadu, to present the shawl to Dr. S. Murthy Babu, Additional Registrar, Anna University, please. I request Shri Papa Sudhakar Rao, CGM Chennai Telephones, to present the bouquet to Dr. S. Murthy Babu, Additional Registrar, Anna University, please. I request Dr. M. Meenakshi, HOD, ECE and Director CWISD to present the bouquet to Sri Tamilmani, CGM Tamil Nadu, BSNL Chennai. BSNL, please. I request Ma'am, Dr. M. Meenakshi to present the bouquet to Sri Papa Sudhakar Rao, CGM Chennai Telephones, please. I request Dr. E. Arun Babu, Deputy Director, Anna University, to present a bouquet to Dr. Manish Shukla, PGM Birbet, BSNL, please. I request Sri Papa Sudhakar Rao, CGM Chennai Telephones, to present a bouquet to Dr. M. Meenakshi, HOD, ECE and Director CWISD, Anna University, please. I request Sri D. Tamilmani, CGM Tamil Nadu Circle, to present a bouquet to Sri Dr. E. Arun Babu, Deputy Director, Anna University, please. Thank you all. We begin this program with Dr. E. Arun Babu, Deputy Director of Planning and Development at Anna University, to deliver the welcome address. His words will set the tone for the collaborative spirit that defines this occasion. Sir, Dr. E. Arun Babu, please.
Respected and Honorable Vice Chancellor of Anna University, respected Additional Registrar of Anna University, esteemed Chairman and Managing Director of BSNL, and other distinguished officials from BSNL, members of the academic and corporate fraternity, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. With immense pleasure and honor, on behalf of Anna University, I extend a warm welcome to each one of you on this significant occasion as we gather to mark the collaboration between two pillars of excellence, Anna University and Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited. Today we witness the formalization of a Memorandum of Understanding that signifies the beginning of a promising partnership between academia and industry. In the presence of our distinguished guests, let me express our heartfelt gratitude to the Honorable Vice Chancellor of Anna University for his visionary leadership that has propelled this esteemed institution to a new heights of academic excellence. We are privileged to have our Additional Registrar, whose commitment to fostering innovation and collaboration has been instrumental in shaping the academic landscape. A warm welcome is also extended to the leadership team from the Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited, the Chairman and Managing Director of BSNL, Sri Praveen Kumar Purwar, whose guidance has steered the organization through dynamic times. Welcome, sir. The Director of HR, BSNL, Dr. Kalyan Sagar Nipani, whose commitment to human capital development is commendable. Welcome, sir. We are also honored to have the Chief General Manager of BSNL Tamil Nadu, Sri D. Tamilmani, and Sri Papa Sudhakar Rao, CGM Chennai BSNL, whose presence adds significant value to this collaboration. Welcome, sir. Rajiv Gandhi Memorial Telecom Training Center is one of the apex training center of BSNL under the control of BR Bright BSNL Jabalpur. Apart from training for BSNL officials, this training center extends the support to socially weak people to level up the skills free of cost with a stipend under the sponsorship of state and central government skill development program. I welcome Dr. Manish Shukla, PGM, BR Bright, BSNL Jabalpur. BR Bright is the abbreviation of Bharat Ratna Bhimrao Ambedkar Institute of Telecom Training. Welcome, sir. I also extend my warm welcome to the Dean, CEG campus, for all the support she is rendering to us. Welcome, ma'am. I also extend a warm welcome to Professor Meenakshi, Head, ECE, and also the Director, Center for Wireless System Design. Sincere welcome to all the faculty of ECE department, as they are the vital component of this partnership and will undoubtedly play a pivotal role in driving research and development initiatives. On this momentous occasion, I feel confident that this partnership holds the promise of fostering innovation, research, and development of cutting-edge technologies that will not only benefit the academic community, but also contribute to the growth of the telecommunication industry. The synergy between academia and industry is a powerful catalyst for progress. And I'm confident that the combined expertise of Anna University and BSNL will create a transformative impact. Once again, I extend a warm welcome to each one of you. Thank you for being a part of this momentous occasion. Let us embark on this journey of knowledge, innovation, and progress together. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. In this August assembly, no one is better qualified for the inaugural address than BSNL's most respected Director HR of BSNL Board, offering insights into the significance of this collaboration and its impact on the future of telecommunications and education. His areas of expertise and experience include organizational and administrative leadership, finance and accounts planning, marketing, project management, and HR. He has also authored 5 best-selling books in the area of management, corporate strategy, and self-development. This project being his brainchild, I hereby invite Dr. Kalyan Sagar Nipani to deliver the inaugural address.
Before I begin, I would like to say I am also not a technocrat or a bureaucrat. I am an academician. I have 5 MBAs in management, marketing, personnel. So I am part of the academia. Thank you, sir. So respected and honorable Vice Chancellor, Anna University, Dr. Al Vairaj, sir. Respected and beloved CMD of BSNL, MTNL, and BBNL. I don't know, the list is too long. Okay. Shri Praveen Kumar Purwarji. Respected Additional Registrar Ji. Respected HOD, Anna University, Meenakshi Madam, and our entire team that tirelessly worked to make this happen at a breathtaking speed. Respected Dean, Madam, and all the dignitaries who have assembled here from Anna University. My dear CGM Sudhakar Rao, Tamil Mani sir, and Manish Shukla ji, Bhimrao, Bharat Ratna Bhimrao Ambedkar Institute of Telecom Technology and Training, Jabalpur, which comes under Advanced Level Telecom Training Center, that is in Ghaziabad. That is a premier institute, center of excellence recognized by ITU. And of course, Shaktivel sir, who's been a pillar of support here 24/7, same with Adi Govind and my dear colleagues, dignitaries assembled here, and the organizers of this beautiful event, which was done so immaculately under the leadership of Vice Chancellor sir and the team. Thank you very much. And my dear members of the media, you have a big role here, brothers and sisters, to spread this idea across so that the reach is more to the students and the youth and they benefit from it. That is the ultimate purpose. It is my privileged pleasure to be here in the midst of this confluence of 2 giants in the area of technology. Okay, this is a unique event, and one of my favorite quotes, to some it may be repetitive, but I say that Immanuel Kant, a philosopher, he said, concepts without percepts are blind, and percepts without concepts are empty. So we need theory, we need practice. And the need of the hour, as sir rightly said, is the interface between industry and academia. So there is a synergy that is desperately required between the classroom and the switch room, right? There cannot be a switch room without a classroom. You should have knowledge, you should have skill sets. And you cannot have only classroom without hands-on experience. So this is what this visionary training program or visionary collaboration is intending. And the CGMs will later on talk. We take it a little higher than academics. We now go into business development, seamless Wi-Fi campuses, and providing EB services to all your 140 odd affiliated colleges and institutions. So that will be a great privilege for BSNL, and it will be a good experience, I bet, for all of you also. The basic purpose I would like to convey is very simple. What is the purpose of this, meaning of vision of Anna University and BSNL for this? Number 1 is that digital India. We are a point of study, case studies have been conducted on Digital India by Harvard and Cambridge and all others. We are in the path of Digital India, e-governance. So our youth, young professionals, youth and students should be equipped with the knowledge and skill sets and hands-on experience. This is the first purpose. The second is employment avenues. So many times people get out of academic institutions and they are not battle ready. They are put in training and they are made to probation period and etc. By this training program given by BSNL and Anna University, the young students who get out of the college are battle ready. It is plug and play. They can straight away go on and take a job. So employability avenues are very huge, and there is a huge scope and growth in the areas of IT, ICT and telecom. Thirdly, it is career growth. Young professionals who have finished their college, the third angle, by doing this course, their careers are enhanced. And I bet to me and to everybody here in this room and on the dais, that phone call or email you get saying, sir, thanks to your course, I have got a job here, I have got a promotion. I mean, that will be one of the most pleasurable moments which we all would have experienced, and that is what we intend to do. The fourth point, of course, is revenue. We are a commercial organization also, so this sector is growing, if I'm not mistaken, sir knows, he's an encyclopedia, 10 to 12% CAGR. Education training is growing at a 10 to 12% CAGR and is bound to go triple fold in every year in the coming years. So T&D is one of the most important revenue sectors which will in time spiral the growth of Digital India. So the scope of this is industry academia interface. It is highly need based. There are three kinds of programs. This idea is not mine. It is not BSNL's. It is Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir. In the first meeting, he said that it should be full-time based. It should be hybrid also. It should be online also for much more scope. We will be adding soft skills also to this, because many times people are brilliant engineers. They go to the interview, they are not able to catch up. They are not able to. Somebody with using wise words, very fluently, okay, like some of us or me, we get the chance, So we are going to develop soft skills also, interview skills also, how to answer questions, how to, face the interviews, how to, career progression internally also. That also we'll do. My special thanks before I conclude to our Vice Chancellor, sir, Anik Vandanana. One the first meeting, I have to be frank here in front of the media also. I thought it will be formal, or ponnade and bouquet, and then I came only with 3 of us. Suddenly, I was shocked. No PPT, nothing. I thought this will be a formal, then I'll have to build up the base, then 3-4 meetings, then call. Nothing. He called the entire team and took decisions at the speed of not 4G, 5G, 7G speed. So within 1 week, I was not able to, I apologize that I came unprepared. It was only formality. But right across the table, sir, the courses were finalized, that syllabus was decided, and what kind of modules are also, that is, and campus Wi-Fi. All the decisions were taken by him, and I thank the CMD. Despite his hectic schedule, every second counts. People say he works 18 hours a day. That is only what people know. I am his neighbor in the office, so I know better. So, and he is in charge of BSNL, BBNL, MTNL. Every second of his time matters. I really thank him. Look at the passion he has to drive Digital India to create this academia industry synergy. I thank you very much. I thank the CGMs again. Special thank to Meenakshi madam and Shaktivel sir, Adi, and the entire team, and especially to the media. You will be playing a big role in spreading this information for the welfare of the youth and the students. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much. Vanakkam.
Continuing our journey today, we navigate through the future plans and potential areas of collaboration by Sri D. Tamilmani, Honorable CGM, BSNL Tamil Nadu Circle, who is an MBA scholar specialized in telecom management and holds immeasurable experience in HR management, telecom transmission network management, and long distance network management. I invite Sir to share his views with us.
Good morning to all of you. Respected CMD, BSNL, Sri Praveen Kumarji, respected Vice Chancellor, Mr. Velraj, respected Director HR, BSNL Board, Kalyan Sagar, and Additional Registrar, Anna University, Meenakshi Madam, HOC, Head of the Department, and my colleague, CGM Chennai Telephones, Mr. Manish Shukla, and other friends. Today I am very much happy, enormous happy, because of the 2 reasons. One is I am representing in the capacity of CGM BSNL selected by our CMD sir for this post. Second one is I am the student of this prestigious university, Anna University. I passed out from MIT Chennai in 1987 with the BTech electronics background. So I am happy to come back to the university to sign this MOU representing my company BSNL. Therefore, I am blended with a lot of happiness. And we have been associating with the Anna University for the last so many years. We have been providing training to the students. Almost, I think, 5,000 students we have given training on various occasions in the past, in the various capacity like 1 day training, 2-3 days training, internship, etc., etc. So by this MOU, I think that will get strengthened with the further facilities like our lab at various cities like Chennai, Coimbatore, Madurai, Trichy, Nagarkoil will be used by the various colleges of Anna University. Around 450 colleges are there, or 500 colleges are there. Around 2 lakh students may get the benefit. And also we have given the enterprise solution to NIT Trichy recently. The Wi-Fi campus we have provided. That university director and all, they felt so happy about our services. The same manner we can provide to the Anna University colleges wherever this Wi-Fi as an under the part of the enterprise business solution. Recently I had been to MIT for addressing the students of the IT faculty. So I have requested the students to join us for the development of using the artificial intelligence to capture the customer experience, our BSNL customer experience, who are left us or who are with us. Using the artificial intelligence, many students have agreed to join with us. I think on this occasion, I will take the help of our VCs also to develop that. That will be beneficial for us also, as well as for the students in the forthcoming technology. Therefore, I am so happy to participate in this event. We will be giving all the support from BSNL side. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Next on the agenda, I invite Dr. M. Meenakshi, Head of Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering and Director of the Center for Wireless System Design at Anna University, to articulate the objectives of the MOU, providing a roadmap for the partnership. Ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Good morning to all the dignitaries. This Memorandum of Understanding between BSNL, Rajiv Gandhi Memorial Telecom Training Center and Anna University will provide a framework for collaboration for the benefit of students and faculty of Anna University in terms of enriching their practical know-how as well as skills in the emerging telecom-driven digital world. The successful deployment of IoT, Industry 4.0, the drone technology, the telehealth and robotic surgery, remote robotic surgery, 5G communication, autonomous vehicles, AR, VR, a lot of these deployments are entirely resting on a successful deployment of the telecom backbone. So according to the CEO of Telecom Sector Council, Shri Aravind Bali, with our country marching ahead in the 5G revolution and also aiming to achieve 60 capabilities by 2030. So this telecom generations have been growing every 10 years from one generation to the next. So by 2030, achieving these 60 capabilities, so he's highlighted the need for skilled technical manpower being very critical, and it's expected to be manifold by 2030 compared to the existing gap of around 20 lakhs skilled personnel. So Anna University being a premier university in our country, catering to the educational aspirations of the students of Tamil Nadu, offers higher education in engineering, technology, management, applied sciences, architecture, relevant to the current and the projected needs of the society. So this university comprises of 4 university departments, 3 regional campuses at Tirunelveli, Madurai and Coimbatore, and 500 plus affiliated institutions including government, government aided as well as the self-financing institutions. So considering only the circuit branches, there are more than 50,000 students in the final year. So if we take up the entire students, it will come to nearly 2 lakhs of students in the circuit branches. So the present MOU addresses upskilling this particular group of students, as well as mentioned, the graduated students who are looking for a very good career in the telecom arena. So the objectives of the present MOU are to offer skill development training programs to students of Chennai University on telecom related areas such as 5G mobile communication, 5G use cases, artificial intelligence in modern day telecom networks, drive test tools for network optimization, cyber security, telecom infrastructure, and so on. And also to jointly design and offer certification courses through online, offline, or blended modes in the telecom domains. And also to offer industrial training programs during the summer, winter, or weekends, both to faculty, all staff, and the students of Anna University. In addition, as mentioned by Sir, to offer soft skills leadership and team building programs. So as part of the MOU, BSNL has proposed to set up labs for training the students in at least 5 venues in the state of Tamil Nadu, and free of cost, and also to provide support in maintaining the equipments also. In this occasion, I also like to mention that our institution has been selected as one of the 100 institutions in India by Department of Telecom for setting up the 5G use case lab. And as part of the commitments towards this, we have to train students and faculty and also engage with startups in developing and demonstrating 5G use cases in the 5G technology. So I'm sure the present MOU will also enable us achieving these goals. So I thank everyone for joining in this session and making this happen. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Moving on, I next invite Dr. Manish Shukla, PGM Birbet, Jabalpur MP, BSNL, who will provide an overview of the collaborative projects, highlighting their significance in the technological landscape.
Thank you, madam. Respected CMD, BSNL, BBNL, MTNL, Shri Praveen Kumar Purwar, sir. Respected Vice Chancellor, Velraj, sir. Respected Director HR, BSNL Board, Kalyan Sagar, sir. Respected CGMs of Tamil Nadu and Chennai Telecom, Madam Meenakshi and the entire team, Deputy Registrar, sir. On behalf of BSNL, very warm welcome and thank you for giving us this opportunity for this to join hands with this prestigious institute. This is a small presentation that we have made. It states regarding first just an overview of what BSNL would be, what it is. So BSNL basically has been transformed from the department. It has been carved out from Department of Telecom Services in the year 2000, and it's a 100% owned Government of India undertaking. And the complete network of India, may it be from Himalayas to down to the islands, to the east, to the west, everything BSNL is at the frontiers of communication and forefronts of new technology. And all the training centers of BSNL, they are spread all over India. They are all ISO certified. It is headquartered at New Delhi. This is our corporate office at New Delhi. The training vertical is at the premier training center is at Ghaziabad. Next comes Jabalpur, which is again, it is a British time training center. Then of course the zonal training centers at Pune, Guwahati, Kalyani, Mysore, Hyderabad, Trivandrum and Chennai. As far as Jabalpur is concerned, it is the center which was set up by the Britishers. It was the first telecom training center in the whole of Asia for one time. And it's 1942 old institution. RGMTTC, which comes under BRAITT, is again here placed at Meenambakkam. It is catering to a vast majority of trainings, not only for BSNL, but for private operators also. It conducts courses for Asia Pacific telecommunity also. The complete structure which we can see here is headed by respected Praveen Kumar Purwar sir and all the directors of BSNL board. We come under Director Human Resources, Dr. Kalyan Sagar, who happens to be here, and CGM ALTTC, and then of course under him I am posted at Jabalpur, and all the zonal centers and other regional centers report to me. We, as in BSNL, including RGMTTC Chennai, have been delivering courses for Asia Pacific Telecommunity, International Telecommunication Union, and Commonwealth Telecom Organization. The trainings which have been delivered for various other international and domestic partners would be for ASEAN, for Nepal Telecom, Bhutan Telecom. We deliver training for all the SAARC countries as well. Presently, a big push is there not only for mobile but for the fiber to the home. So a lot of business opportunities are being developed by pushing this partner training and the franchisee trainings all over India. We want to have fiber in all homes of India. The trainings which have been delivered spread across a variety of flavors from ITU and Asia Pacific and Commonwealth. And basically it is all in the leading technology fronts, may it be telemedicine and quality of service for telemedicine, or maybe a convergent licensing environment, or 5G front end and backhaul operations, and the future leaderships in next generation wireless networks. So these are the trainings which have been already conducted. These are the trainings where we send our people abroad to deliver training on behalf of BSNL. So these are some of the India not only we provide leadership for internal BSNL but for international trainers on loan basis. Almost for the last 3 years we have been training around 50,000 people all over India. This is our in-house trainings. In addition to that, we train a lot of students, engineering students and others, especially the skill development part. And now most of the trainings have gone online. So now we are the leading providers for all the trainings which are online in IGOT platform, which is a Government of India platform. We got appreciation for that also, because it's the highest contributor is BSNL. Almost all training centers, they take trainings on different topics, and especially we provide it for the law enforcement agencies, for Indian Army, for ITBP, Seema Suraksha Bal, Power Grid, Chennai Metro, Railtel, etc. Especially RGMTTC here is the torch bearer for us for handling big level skill development programs from Tamil Nadu state government. So a lot of business and a lot of penetration is there, and this MOU will further strengthen that. These are some of the labs which are being put at almost all training centers in India, which are the indigenous new CDOT, TCS and Tejas based labs on 4G, which is a 5G upscalable, and of course all the backhaul labs which are there. These labs are available even at Chennai. RGMTTC, we are trying to get all those labs here as well. Presently, this MOU is on joining hands between Anna University and its affiliated colleges. So it would introduce short-term telecom development courses for to bridge the gap between the industry and academia, because as you know, a big push is coming from the government for all 5G related rollouts, even in rural areas. A lot of manpower requirement would come up, and we want to make our youth field ready. They should hit the field running when they finish their courses. So we want to have customized courses on skilling the students and even professionals. The present MOU would have vocational training programs in a hybrid or online and offline flavors, for which separate arrangements can be made. And the areas which we would focus would be morely on networking, optical fibers, mobile networks, datacom, and the telecom infrastructure that we have. It could have a blend of things like summer, winter, or weekend industrial visits, or even for that matter, we have kept provisions for credits in the course so that it could be done while they are doing their courses as well. The courses that we intend to offer, apart from the normal bread and butter courses that we offer, is on specialized new areas. It is not only for the students, but for even for the professionals who have passed out, or for the alumni who wants to upskill themselves. That would be on LTN 5G, in QoS, and OTN 5G, IPv6, pathways, developments, maybe incubation centers, or mobile tool planning, IoT designs. Spectrum planning, because it is going to come in a big way in future as well, because the dense requirement of spectrum would be there, and all the other this would be penetrated right up to around 540 colleges, around 2 lakh students that we intend to target. Basically, it would also set up on a nominal cost basis labs at all the Anna University campus here, wherever Anna University has got its direct presence, and as well as around the affiliated colleges in future. So all the equipments for those labs would be provided by CGM Tamil Nadu sir and CGM Chennai Telecom sir. So that would cover not only present things but the future generations. On these, the students would be given options to have hands-on training so that they understand the system in real-time basis. So the course material would be designed by RGMTTC here, and it will be conducted with the help of Tamil Nadu Circle right up to the doorsteps at the college level itself, spread all over Tamil Nadu. And the BSNL will set up at all the labs at a very nominal cost at all the feasible locations, which would not only give a coverage, which would give a FTTH rollout, point of presence directly at the campus so that high speed availability of bandwidth is there. So all these things will be the spin-offs which will come from this course. The certificate will be a jointly delivered certificate. Basically, Anna University would need to have coordinators at all the locations where we would like to have these labs set up and students to be managed, and for the accounting part and other things, how many people join and other things. And basically to set up all those labs, free of cost space would be provided at locations which are as and when feasible at a very nominal cost. Yes, sir. The resources would be a blend of offline and online resources, and like I told you, we are very the front runners for IGOT, where all the government ministries and departments, they take training from the resource material that BSNL has developed. So the same platforms, the same resource material could be used as e-learning resources, and apart from the online part, if we wish to have contact programs where job ready people could come in. So this program, these are the overarching MOU that we have prepared, and subsequently nitty-gritties as far as each course costing, etc. Would be worked out later, and ultimately a proposal could be made for Tamil Nadu Skill Development Council as well, so that a comprehensive plan of funding could also be generated out of the this MOU that we have tried to make. So let us work together and make this MOU a success for a long time to come. Thank you very much for this opportunity.
Thank you, sir. We finally arrive at the moment we have all been waiting for, the grand signing of the MOU agreement between BSNL and Anna University by the respected CMD BSNL and Honorable Vice Chancellor of Anna University. Yes. Momentous occasion is upon us. We exchanged the MOU agreement between Anna University and BSNL. Thank you, sir. Our next speaker is the Honorable Vice Chancellor of Anna University. He specialized in thermal energy storage, solar energy, energy auditing and management. He completed his PhD right here at Anna University and his doctoral research in Solar Institute Jülich, Germany under DAAD Fellowship by Germany. We are honored to hear from Dr. R. Velraj, Vice Chancellor of Anna University, his thoughts on this collaboration, sir.
Very good morning. Respected Sri Praveen Kumar Purwar, CMD BSNL, Dr. Kalyan Sagar, Director HR BSNL, Sri Tamilmani, CGM Tamil Nadu, Sri Papa Sudhakar Rao, CGM Chennai, Dr. Manish Shukla, PGM BSNL, and all dignitaries, expert members from BSNL, and our faculty members, press and media. It's a very happy, momentous occasion that a leading technical university in the country join hands with a giant in telecommunication field, BSNL. It's a very enjoyable and very important event in this country, I can say. I would like to share some of my thoughts about this development happened in this country. This country till 1990, we cannot say it's a rich country or even developing nation. It was a poor country, I can say, till that point of time. Only this communication gave the opportunity for our Indians. This communication field only gave opportunity, and our engineers, those who worked in this country, their salary compared to the developed nation was very less. But this communication field gave opportunity to all our Indians, and now I am seeing a person working in our small village in Tenkasi. So through Soga, he has established a very good establishment there, and they are all working for Japan and many other countries because of the development in the communication field. And in the last 3 decades, our India's growth is because of communication, Now there is a emerging technologies intrusion, and that technologies, mostly everything is going to be automized in this near future. Artificial intelligence it's playing a major role. For artificial intelligence to become successful, we need IoT, all other data we want to generate. This is possible with the communication only. This data to be transferred in a very big way. So for which this is the heart of any technological growth. In between this hardware and the software, this communication is very essential for the success of this country in the next 2 decades. Is going to be the year for our country, India, because of our this demographic dividend. It's going to help our youngsters who are particularly in the technical education. They are going to make lot of changes in this next 2 decades, for which this MOU will be very helpful to develop our youth for the success of this country. And our Anna University, I would like to tell the heritage. It's a very old technical institute, oldest technical institute established outside Europe. In the year 1794, it was established, and it was established as a survey school in this campus, then became an engineering college. Then in 1978, it became Anna University. 2001, it became affiliated type university, and now some more than 650,000 students are studying in this university. I am proud to tell that this is the 650,000 students are studying in this under this Anna University, and I am very proud to tell this first women engineer in the country is also from this campus. Also, this women diversity, it is Anna University is the #1 in the country, women diversity. So such a lot of heritage and tradition this campus we have, and the BSNL has lot of achievements in this field of telecommunication. When these two organizations join together and power the youth in the next decade, definitely this will pave pathway for the success of this nation. I am very happy this moment as joining hands with the BSNL, and they are also showing lot of interest to develop, because some of our Mr. Tamilmani, he is from our institute, and definitely he will have heart on this institute. So definitely this MOU signing will give pathway for the youngsters who are going to learn lot of things in the field of communication. That particularly the missing in our country is the skill development. Though the students are given lot of knowledge, the school system is not having this practical way of teaching. That is again missing in the higher education learning also, but this kind of MOU will definitely give pathway for the students to get skilled skill. Once the skill is developed, they will get lot of confidence. They will let their knowledge also will become useful along with the skill. So that way this signing of MOU will be very useful, and I am sure in the near future this will give pathway for a lot of other emerging technologies. This growth only will, without this growth, this artificial intelligence intrusion is not at all possible. This data communication is required. This data 5G's growth will give pathway for lot of IoT growth. Then it is then only robotics automation will come. Then through artificial intelligence, everything is going to happen in this field. Our government also recently announced AI in agriculture, AI in healthcare, AI in sustainable city development, AI in education. So everything, this communication is very much required. We have also, last year we have started this, the Tamil Nadu government also started the skill development course in a many big way. Finally, the problem was because of the communication problem couldn't achieve successfully full. But now this kind of courses will make this total, this even the last village in this country also should get good communication that will power our country in a big way. I pray God that very good initiate that even started in this room. This will power this country and power our youth. In after 10 years, we can see the development because of this initiative. Thank you.
Thank you for that insightful and inspiring talk, sir. At the helm of public sector telecom giants is Shri Praveen Kumar Purwar, eminent CMD, BSNL and MTNL, a 1990 batch officer of the Indian Postal and Telegraph Accounts and Finance Service.
Sorry. Now address has been.
Very good morning to all of you. Respected Vice Chancellor, Anna University, Dr. Asil Raj. Additional Registrar, Anna University, Dr. S. Murthy Babu. It's on. On. Okay. Hello. Yeah. No. Madam Meenakshi ji, all the senior dignitaries from Anna University, my colleague director on the board, Kalyan Sagar ji, all the CGMs, Tamil Nadu as well as Chennai, and Manish Shukla ji, my friends from the press. I think it's a momentous occasion for the country that two very old institutions, two very forward-looking institutions are joining the hands to meet the requirement of the people, student, academia, industry, as well as the young professional who are looking forward the skill to be enhanced. See, telecom has grown from being a service to become the layer of the innovation and automation. Today, if you look at Industry 4.0, it's no longer a service. It become a, I will say, base for every kind of a innovation which is taking place, automation is taking place in the country. So there is a lot of requirement is coming for young professionals who can adopt the new technology, who can relearn the technology which they have become outdated over a period of time. And secondly, the student which are in the colleges, they understand what the industry require from them once they pass out, so that a collaboration can be made at the initial stage itself, so that the industry requirement academia can meet together. As a BSNL, being a service provider, we require the wealth of knowledge which have the academic institutions. We want to leverage their knowledge, how the industry can perform better. I think this MOU provide a very apt scope, not only learning and relearning for the young professional and the student, but also a collaboration between the industry and academia so that the new products can be launched, new partnership can be created, and a better way of telecommunication can be done in a manner by which the services can be provided better manner, as well as the growth of the people can be done. I will also like to mention, as mentioned by the Honorable Vice Chairman, Vice Chancellor, that every single village should have a connectivity. I will say the Government of India has very recently come out with a policy that every single village will have a fiber connectivity. And the BSNL has been given the mandate to implement in 6 lakh villages, the optical fiber connectivity has to be provided. And 2,25,000 villages, Gram Panchayats are there, there the OLT has to be installed along with the optical fiber. So if you look at the kind of employment opportunities which are coming in the coming time in next 2 to 3 years, nearly 1 million people, more than 10 lakh people will be required in the rural area itself to power the BharatNet vision of the Government of India, the Digital India requirement. And this will further enhance the job opportunities. The digitally literate persons will be required to carry out the various activities. So I think the scope for reskilling as well as the skilling of the young students are required. Secondly, as an industry, we require the lot of employees, lot of officers who are ready to be deployed on the ground. I think this opportunity provides to us to train the people what we require as an industry, so that the time period and the investment which we are doing in retraining them, making them available as per our requirement, that gap will be done away with. So this opportunity for us as an institution to make the people aware of this MOU, as well as to create a synergy between the academia and industry, will be a long way to go. I will also like to mention that it is no longer a service sector. The telecom has changing in a big manner very recently because of the government policy on the property linked incentive. Till that period, if you look at 1.5 years before, very few equipments are getting manufactured in the country. The manufacturing was, most of the equipment was imported. Now with the productivity linked incentive, lot of investment is coming in India. Even we are purchasing nearly 20,000 crore of equipment which is the Indian designed, Indian manufactured and Indian deployed in last 1.5 years. That means it is not the BSNL alone. The moment the ecosystem become more and more matured, because the fab investment is coming in India, the PCBs are getting deployed in the country, the newer softwareization of the telecom systems are taking place. So PLI based investment is coming in a big manner in the country, and newer category of investment is coming. Now the routers which were majority of coming from Cisco or Juniper or anything, at least half a dozen company in the country has started manufacturing to it. So the ecosystem for which who require, the designers are required, the scientists and the research are required, and secondly the people who can deploy it and maintain it. So lot of demand of the telecom professionals are there in the market to take it forward. And how the technology march is taking place. The newer technology like SD-WAN is coming in a big manner. That means software defined wide area network need to be deployed by almost all banks. Only last month we have signed a kind of a growth which we have done. Now almost 23,000 SBI branches are working on the BSNL network, and that is 100% on optical fiber. 99.4% we have already reached, and our goal is to reach to 100%. And this is not one banks, it is across the country. The kind of optical fiber and the data systems which are coming, they are giving two things. Number one, the speed, so that data consumption is increasing in a bigger manner. Secondly, IoT based whole economic kind of a automation is taking place. The industry 4.0, the data, whether it's agriculture, whether it's health. Now we have started along with the Piramal Foundation that how the health system can be deployed in the deep rural villages by a tele-health medicine deployment. I think this will open up a lot of scope for telecom services to be consumed both as an operator as well as by the consumer, as well as the whole ecosystem of telecom in terms of manufacturing, in terms of research and development is going to take place. And this MOU will help the lot of students to be industry ready. Lot of young professionals can be reskilled for the requirement of the system. And secondly, the marriage between the telecommunication, data and AI which is taking place will create a new paradigm to take forward the kind of a predictiveness which is required on the basis of data, whether it's industrialization, automation, even what we're seeing today, the preventive action for the maintenance to be done for. So I think this MOU will a long way to go forward. The BSNL is fully committed for that. It also gives us the opportunity that 6 lakh students we can connect. There are 500 plus colleges where we connect. So this is a great opportunity for BSNL. I like to thank the team of Anna University for doing a wonderful job and taking it forward. I equally thank the team of the BSNL to bringing it. And I will say this signing of MOU is one occasion only. How good we implement, that's the real take forward from this aspect. On this occasion, I like to thank the Vice Chancellor Sahab for being so supportive to BSNL to take the things forward. I like to commit from the BSNL family that we are fully committed how we can be part of the Anna University effort to bring the solid and competent professional in the country in telecommunication field. Thank you.
Thank you for the enlightening speech, sir. Finally, expressing our gratitude and wrapping up this momentous gathering, we have Dr. S. Murthy Babu, Additional Registrar of Anna University, delivering the vote of thanks.
Just few minutes. When I finish, we will have a... First of all, good afternoon to all. It's a pleasure to propose the vote of thanks for this MOU ceremony. First of all, respected Shri Praveen Kumar Parwar, CMD of BSNL, respected Vice Chancellor, Anna University, respected Dr. Kalyan Sagar Nipani, Director HR BSNL, and other dignitaries from BSNL as well as from Anna University. It's really, as pointed out by Shri Praveen Kumar Pawarji, a significant important moment to sign MOU between industry and academia and technology short-term training and preparation of technology modules and for providing short-term technology training to students and young professionals as well as creating campuses with high Wi-Fi connectivity. Our thanks to the CMD, even after a hectic schedule, he put the significance of this MOU and came over here and graced the function and also provided insight and his words about the impactness and sustainability, not only signing MOU. And our Vice Chancellor usually used to say sustainable. I mentioned about that. And it will be a win-win situation, we hope, with Anna University and BSNL on board. This soft skills, as proposed by CMD as well as our Vice Chancellor, is indispensable in the sense without communication, right? Nothing will work in day-to-day life in this digital era. So, our sincere thanks to the team from BSNL as well as from Anna University, as well as for press and media for covering this occasion, and our thanks to everybody who involved in this. If I missed deliberately, we missed someone, it is not deliberate, right? Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir. With that, we come to the end of this remarkable day of collaboration and innovation as we embark on this outstanding journey together. Thank you, one and all. We'll now have a brief press meet.
இந்தியாவில் உள்ள அனைத்து கிராமங்களிலும் கம்யூனிகேஷன் கனெக்ஷன் இருந்தால்தான் அந்த வளர்ச்சியை நாம் இந்தியா அடைய முடியும். அதற்கு பிஎஸ்என்எல் அதற்காக நிறைய ஸ்டெப்ஸ் எடுக்கிறார்கள். அதில் ஒன்றுதான் இந்த அண்ணா யூனிவர்சிட்டி மூலமாக அந்த கல்வியை அனைவருக்கும் கொடுப்பது. அதற்காக ஒப்பந்தம் இடப்பட்டுள்ளது. நமது எலக்ட்ரானிக்ஸ் டிபார்ட்மெண்ட், அண்ணா பல்கலைக்கழகத்தின் எலக்ட்ரானிக்ஸ் டிபார்ட்மெண்ட்டும் பிஎஸ்என்எல்லில் துறையில் உள்ள இன்ஜினியர்ஸும் சேர்ந்து இந்த ஷார்ட் டேர்ம் கோர்ஸை வடிவமைத்துள்ளார்கள். அந்த கோர்ஸ் மூலம் நிறைய மாணவர்களுக்கு ஸ்கில் டெவலப்மெண்ட்டு இந்த வரும் 2 வருடங்களாக கொடுக்கப்படும். அது தவிர அண்ணா யூனிவர்சிட்டியும் ஒய்ஃபை கேம்பஸாக மாற்றுவதற்கு இந்த ஒப்பந்தம் மூலமாக கையெழுத்திடப்பட்டுள்ளது. இந்தியாவில் உள்ள அனைத்து கிராமங்களிலும் கம்யூனிகேஷன் இருந்தால் மட்டும்தான் நாம் இன்னும் வரும் 10 வருடங்களில் நமது பாரத பிரதமர் நினைக்கிற விக்சித் பாரத் 2047 அதை அடைவதற்கு இது ஒரு முக்கியமான பங்கு என்பது உணர்ந்துதான் பிஎஸ்என்எல்லும் பல்கலைக்கழகங்களோடு புரிந்துணர்வு செய்து எஜுகேஷனை கொடுக்க வந்திருக்கிறார்கள். எல்லா வளர்ச்சிக்கும் எஜுகேஷன் காரணம். அந்த எஜுகேஷனுக்கு அடிப்படையான கம்யூனிகேஷன் காரணம் என்பதை உணர்ந்து இந்த புரிந்துணர்வு செய்யப்பட்டுள்ளது. கண்டிப்பாக இந்த புரிந்துணர்வினால் தமிழ்நாட்டு மாணவர்கள் மிகவும் பயனடைய போகிறார்கள். இப்போ அது கவர்மெண்ட் செக்டரில் இப்போ ப்ரைவேட்டில் எல்லா சிட்டிஸில் இருக்குது 5G செக்டர்ஸ். ஆனால் கிராமங்களில் பார்த்தா பிஎஸ்என்எல் தான் இருக்கும். இப்போ நான் எனக்கே ஒரு எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் இருக்குது. சிட்டியில் போயாச்சுன்னா வேறு இருக்கும். நீங்கள் நிறைய டவுனுக்கு வில்லேஜஸுக்கு போனால் அங்கே பிஎஸ்என்எல் கனெக்ஷன் இருக்குது. ஆனால் இப்போது எஜுகேஷன் இன்ஸ்டிடியூஷன் வழியாக எஜுகேஷன் இன்ஸ்டிடியூஷனில் அந்த பவரை அதிகமாக கொண்டு வந்தால் எஜுகேஷன், இந்த டெக்னாலஜி எஜுகேஷனுக்கு அது ரொம்ப தேவையாக இருக்கும் என்பதை உணர்ந்து எல்லா கேம்பஸையும் ஒய்ஃபை கேம்பஸாக மாற்றுவதற்கு ஒரு முயற்சி எடுக்கிறாங்க. ஆல்ரெடி அவங்க என்ஐடியில் பண்ணிட்டாங்க. இப்போ அண்ணா யூனிவர்சிட்டிக்கும் பண்ணுறாங்க. கண்டிப்பாக இந்த ஒய்ஃபை கேம்பஸ் எல்லாமே ஆன்லைன். இப்போ எஜுகேஷனுக்கு நிறைய எக்ஸ்பர்ட் கிடைக்க மாட்டேங்கிறாங்க எல்லாருக்கும் சொல்லிக் கொடுக்குறதுக்கு. எல்லாமே ஆன்லைன் எஜுகேஷன் அந்த மாதிரி தான் வரப்போகுது. அப்போ அந்த டைமில் நம்ம கம்யூனிகேஷன் ஸ்ட்ரென்த்து இன்ஸ்டிடியூஷனில் நல்லா இருந்தாச்சுன்னா மாணவர்கள் அறிவு வளர்ச்சி அதிகமாக இருக்கும். அதற்கு இது ரொம்ப உதவியான ஒரு இது. என்ன கம்யூனிகேஷன் ரிலேட்டடான எல்லா கோர்ஸும் நிறைய ஷார்ட் டேர்ம் கோர்ஸ் இப்போ நாங்கள் ஆல்ரெடி எங்களுக்கு ஷார்ட் டேர்ம் கோர்ஸ் எங்கள் மெக்கானிக்கல் துறையில் அதிலெல்லாம் நிறைய கொடுத்த எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் இருக்குது. அந்த எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸை இந்த டெலிகாம் ரிலேட்டட் கோர்ஸை கொடுக்கறதுக்கு யூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க. நிறைய ஒரு 7-8 கோர்ஸு மேடம் அவங்க மீனாட்சி மேடம் அவங்க எலக்ட்ரானிக்ஸ் டிபார்ட்மெண்ட்டும் அவங்களும் சேர்ந்து டிசைன் பண்ணியிருக்கிறாங்க. அந்த கோர்ஸு கோர்ஸ் இப்போ 2 வீக்ஸ் கோர்ஸ் இருக்குது. 2 வீக்ஸ் கோர்ஸு அந்த வீக்கெண்டு கோர்ஸு அதே மாதிரி நிறைய கோர்சஸ் இருக்குது. இல்லை ஐஐடியில் டிப்ளமோ கோர்ஸாக ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ண போகிறாங்க. நம்ம ஐஐடி டிப்ளமோ கோர்சஸ் இதில் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ண போகிறாங்க. அவங்களுடைய மாலையில் ஒரு
talking about IIT, sir, IIT has certain courses where they engage students for certificate, diploma and degree. Depends on till what year you are taking the education. So same wise, is it because it is a BSNL collaboration effort? So is it like, as you are saying, Anna University will offer certificate courses. After that, if somebody has to do the diploma, same course, same student who have studied the same course, he still continue with IIT and do the diploma and degree courses?
Yes, sir. It's a very good idea. Every long journey or an adventure has a beginning. You know, a journey 1,000-mile long begins with the first step. So we have taken this first step. We will definitely scale up these certification courses to perhaps larger level diploma courses. Certainly, definitely escalate. In IIT, what we have done, we are launching a 1-year diploma, which will be converted into a diploma after the Senate approves it. It is a 1-year international course. So that we have already started along with short-term courses. With Anna University, we are going to go into the latest cutting-edge technology of telecom and IT and ICTs. He will just list out the few courses, which later on definitely we will convert into, scale it up to greater heights. Because for getting a diploma, there are some procedures required. You know, it has to go to the Senate. So definitely we will go for that, sir.
Sir, as you said, industry and academia is coming together.
Yeah.
I wanted to mention that yesterday or day before yesterday, Paytm has actually slacked down their 100 employees, and it's just because of AI. And when you're talking about data and artificial intelligence, industry and academia is coming together. So how are you trying to solve this problem? You know, because AI is slashing down the manpower, so it has to be used in some other way or some other field.
See, telecom is the base on which everything is now coming up. Now the telecom job reduction is not a scenario. It is a growing sector. Both number of consumers are increasing as well as the data consumption is increasing in manifold. Even the sectors like agriculture, where the use of telecommunication is minimistic, use of telecom in the health sector is minimistic. Now all these sectors in terms of data and IoT are adopting the telecom sector in a big manner. So the demand for telecom professional will be very high and continue to be very high. Second aspect, the rural area. Today the telecom sector, if you look at, is largely semi-urban kind of scenario. It has to reach the similar kind of facility which are available in Chennai are not available in the villages. How we should reach it? Now BharatNet program with the government of India has come up, in which very recently the cabinet has approved that every single village has to be provided with the optical fiber connectivity, and all gram panchayats has to have a OLT kind of a equipment, so that the connectivity quality can be improved in a significant manner under Digital India program. So your thought process is the reduction of employee base or reduction of employment will take place in the telecom sector. At least it is not supposed to take place in a very recent phenomena in the telecom sector.
But have you planned in coming future if AI can be useful in many ways, as you said? So is there any other way alternative you are taking?
See, there are two kind of things when I talk about the AI. AI going to utilize for data mining and data intensive industry. In the financial sector, majority of the things are based upon the data, but somebody has to provide the service on the ground level. So for provisioning of service, you require physical infrastructure. Now train cannot be run by a AI. Train has to be run by a locomotive partner as well as the signal person. Similarly in telecom, if you have to lay the fiber, you have to lay the fiber. If the fault has to be attended, it's the man has to go and attend it. So in telecom sector, since it is an infrastructure, it's not an application. The AI is more going to replace the people or reduction of the job where the application are concerned, where the data analysis are concerned. Here it is a basic foundation of infrastructure. So basic foundation of the infrastructure require more and more people, because it is a foundation on which the AI has to work. So telecommunication role, which is today as on date, is service provisioning. Now it has become a foundation for everything to come forward, whether it's a telecom, whether it is a your education, whether it is a health, whether it's a agriculture. So I do not see in telecom sector the reduction of jobs are taking place in a short period of time or medium term of time. There will be more requirement of professional. If 6 lakh villages, if I say, take 60 people in a village takes a fiber connection, then you require a local 2 people to provide the service to them. So there will be opportunity of at least 10 lakh people to be employed in the telecom sector to provide the connectivity in the rural area itself.
கண்டிப்பாக அந்த நெட்ஒர்க்கை 6,50,000 வில்லேஜஸில் பண்ணுறது தான் ஒரு அப்ஜெக்டிவ். அந்த அப்ஜெக்டிவ் கண்டிப்பாக நிறைவேறும். ஒரு கவர்மெண்டால தான் ஒரு பெரிய ஒரு ரெவன்யூ இல்லாத இடத்துல எல்லாம் கவர்மெண்ட் தான் ஒர்க் பண்ணணும். ஸோ அது பிஎஸ்என்எல் கண்டிப்பாக பண்ணுது. இப்போ வந்து சிட்டிஸில் செட்டப் பண்ணுறது ப்ரைவேட் செக்டார்ஸ் வில் பிளே அ ரோல். பட் ரூரல் வில்லேஜஸில் பண்ணுறது ரெஸ்பான்சிபிலிட்டி ஆஃப் பிஎஸ்என்எல். அது அவங்க பண்ண ஆரம்பிச்சிருக்காங்க. கண்டிப்பாக இது சக்ஸஸ்ஃபுல்லாக வரும். அதனால எஜுகேஷனும் வளரும். இப்போது கம்யூனிகேஷன் இட்ஸ் அ வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் ஏரியா. அதுக்கு அதை வளர்த்தாச்சுன்னா இப்போ இந்தியா வந்து காம்பவுண்ட் ஆனுவல் க்ரோத் வந்து வேர்ல்டில் பெஸ்ட்டாக இருக்குது. இது வந்து இந்த ஃபீல்டினோட சக்ஸஸ் தான் மொத்த சக்ஸஸ். இந்த ஃபீல்டினோட சக்ஸஸ் இப்போ வந்து இந்த ஃபீல்டு வளர்ந்தாச்சுன்னா அமெரிக்காலேயோ யூரோப்லேயோ ஜப்பான்லேயோ இருந்து ஒர்க் பண்ணாலும் நம்ம இந்தியாவிலேருந்து ஒர்க் பண்ணாலும் ஒருத்தருக்கு ஒரே சேலரி கிடைக்க போகுது இன்னும் 10 இயர்ஸில். அது இட் இஸ் பாசிபிள் பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் கம்யூனிகேஷன் டெவலப்மெண்ட் தான். ஒரு ரிமோட் வில்லேஜில் இந்தியாவில் இருந்துட்டும் ஜப்பானில் ஒர்க் பண்ணுற ஆளுக்கும் ஒரே சேலரி கிடைக்க போகும் இந்த ஃபீல்டினோட வளர்ச்சி.
Madam, already now up to Grama Panchayat, okay. Grama Panchayat வரைக்கும் இப்போ ஆல்ரெடி நடந்துட்டு இருக்கு வேலை. 12,000 வில்லேஜ் இருக்குது தமிழ்நாட்டில். கிராம பஞ்சாயத்துக்கு ஆல்ரெடி ஒர்க் நடந்துகிட்ருக்கு. தமிழ்நாடு கவர்மெண்ட்டு சேர்ந்து செய்கிறாங்க. அதை ஒர்க் நடந்துகிட்ருக்கு. அதுக்கு அடுத்தது நெக்ஸ்ட் லெவல் வில்லேஜுக்கு போகுது. ஆல்ரெடி நடந்துகிட்ருக்கு ஒர்க்கு. எல்லாம் நடந்துட்டு இது மேபி ஒரு 2-3 இயர்ஸில் முடியும். தமிழ்நாடு கவர்மெண்ட் அந்த ஒர்க்கை எடுத்து டிஓடியுடைய ஃபண்டிலேருந்து அவங்க செஞ்சுட்டு இருக்கிறாங்க. நடந்துகிட்ருக்கு ஒர்க். இப்போது எல்லா இடத்துலையும் டிரான்ஸ்மினேட்டர் ஒர்க் நடந்துகிட்ருக்கு. வந்துடும். அதுக்கு முன்னாடியே வரணும். இங்கே இது சொன்னீங்க இல்லையா மேடம், அண்ணா யூனிவர்சிட்டியில் இது கவர் அதே மாதிரி எல்லா இடத்துலையும் நாங்கள் காப்பி பண்ண வேண்டியது தான். வைஃபை கேம்பஸ்.
Thank you very much.
Thanks. Vote of thanks, sir. For the salary vote. He's over. No, thanks to the media. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Media some compliment.